In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve the first layer of a Rubik's Cube. The first step is to pick a color. And in this case, I'll choose the color white. And what you have to do is find the centerpiece of that color. So, like so. Now what you're going to have to do is find the edge pieces that correspond to that whatever color you chose. So for this case, I'll be looking for white edge pieces, like these. And what you're going to have to do is move them towards the center piece. To form this cross, this white cross. And once you get that cross, for whatever color, you have to make sure they correspond with the center. Like for this case, red and red. But for this one, the orange doesn't go with this blue, so you're gonna have to move this edge piece to where the orange is for this case. So the orange is over here, so this centerpiece belongs over here. So you're gonna have to move it like so, orange and orange, and you have to do it for all of the edge pieces. So there, and make sure the cross is still there, and all the colors match for the edge. And once you do that, now you could solve for the corner pieces correctly. Or even though these white pieces are located here, they are not correctly positioned for the specific or the correct spot. For example, this one, this corner piece, it does not correspond with this green centerpiece over here, and this blue does not correspond with this orange, so this corner is in the wrong spot. So you're gonna have to move it to the right spot. Like this. See how it is white, and then orange, orange, blue, blue. Yeah, and you must do that for the rest of the edges. And once you solve it, it should look like this on the top, all colors matching, and all the sides are correct. For instance, green, 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 orange, 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 blue, 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 and red, red, red. And they all still should be matching the center. So and this is how a correct first layer looks like. A solved first layer. Yeah. Thank you.